All right, welcome back to the channel. I'm in the newly refreshed Jag, and I just got word that a L322 Jag or Range Rover has landed in our local car, not truck, car scrapyard, and we're gonna go check it out. And again, I don't know if this is gonna be a video or not because I haven't put eyes on the vehicle myself. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and check out the other videos on pretty much every car that I find interesting, but pretty heavy on the Jag and Range Rover content. And one other quick update, I through some sleuthing, if you watched my video on the green XJR that I found at the Cap scrapyard, you might notice that it was missing the classic asteroid wheels in the driver's seat. Well, I was stupid on Craigslist a little while ago, and I found the guy that bought them. Or took them from Cap. So the goal is to get in contact with him and maybe we can strike a deal, and worst case, maybe he's got the driver's seat, so who knows? We'll see. More to come on that. Junkyard business must be pretty good. It's like a real GTS with dealer tags. I like the style. All right, well, we'll see if we can find it. It just hit the lot, and I can't imagine there's too many other people who are interested in a white 06 full size at the moment. Again, this is a car lot, so there's some XC90s and Audi Q7s and stuff that end up here accidentally. I don't know what you want to call it. So we'll see if they stashed it somewhere. Usually they put the new cars just kind of in the line right here, but we'll see if it's actually landed. It might still be over there in the intake, so I don't know. Okay. All right. So I don't see an L322, but this looks like a 06 LR3. Interesting. All right. Not what I was here for, but they could have got the description wrong. So, shoo. I've never seen one in a wrecking yard. Oh, let's check it out. So, typical crappy key. Replaced leather bottom seat, Walmart mats. I'm always interested to see what killed these things, but all the lights are gone, so someone got here in a hurry. Looks like it's been sitting here for a couple of days. I might have missed the initial run through. See, I didn't even I didn't even prepare myself. I don't know what I would need for an LR3 at the moment. I'm sure there's some bits, but not really sure right now. So let me go poke around and I'll check back if I can come up with something. But I want to go in the back still. I'm going to come back to this. Let's see if that was an L322. Focus on that for now. We'll be back. All right, so no L322. They might have got the description wrong and just labeled it as a LR3, but that's okay. Let's go check the LR3 out. I'll see if there's anything worth salvaging on it. It's just, from a general perspective, it's always wild how these guys that scavenge for parts, they'll put a notification on, and as soon as it hits the yard, rush over, take the headlights and the taillights, nothing that I really need. All the emblems and pretty much anything they can sell on eBay and get it posted, which, hey, you can't hate the hustle, but it's just how it goes sometimes. All right, so wheels are in pretty bad condition. Looks like, see, some of this stuff is useful, like these battery covers and the random plastic and stuff like that, like this hose here that connects to your mass airflow sensor. A lot of these little plastics are kind of hard to find or kind of a pain in the butt. So, it's all worse stuff than this one. Nope, this one's on air. Doesn't look too rusty. Let's see if we can find any evidence of what caused the demise in the glove box. There is not. There's definitely some water intrusion. A lot of LR3s suffer from that. I'm sure the screen wasn't working. The headliner actually looks pretty good for what it is. Baby on board. That had the same sticker on my Jag when I bought it, but it looks like an HSE model. You've got some of the side pieces and what. Oh, this is the front valence. Huh. I could maybe use that. Let me see here. Yep. Looks like that'll go right there or something, which a lot of those are missing. Actually, yeah, that's actually what I need, and that is removed. So no harm, no foul there. It looks like, you know, a lot of these cars have some of the parts that you might need kind of stored and smothered throughout, but random stuff from not this car. So interesting. These, I could actually use a couple of those, but you know, besides like a driver's armrest or something, nothing really needed at this point. Got a very small, they've got the same, I've got a small crack in my third brake light. So did they. Yep, it is an HSE. A little bit of rust, no hitch or anything like that. So yeah, pretty much the average condition. And the crazy part is this hit the yard yesterday, and it's already been pretty much picked over. So it just kind of shows you what the market for some of these is used. The consoles, interesting. You know, people really, it's full of smoke and stuff. People really know what they're looking for when it comes to trying to pick these things apart. So again, I wish I had an idea of what I needed. I don't really at this time, but I guess if something changes, I can always come back. So that's it for now. But just a quick look at what else is here. It's always crazy how the stuff that's sitting in here gets newer and newer. Most of these are newer than any of the current cars that I daily. It's a Prius. So it's interesting how time goes on, how these cars just keep getting newer and newer. But that's it for now. Like I said, first time I've seen an LR3 in a junkyard. Ooh, door handle pieces. This, they even took it, damn it. That could have been something useful, or a mirror housing. I'll have to go get an idea of what we need from the ones that are sitting at the shop. But again, appreciate everyone watching. Please like, subscribe, and follow. Check me on Instagram. And yeah, appreciate it.